been like a recalibration of establishing that some of these values need to be remembered and inculcated in work. So I'm Devanshi. I am based out of Pune currently. I grew up in Lucknow and Kanpur in UP, and then I lived in multiple places. I am currently working as a journalist in Pune. I cover city issues, mainly focusing on education and also various gender issues. Because I feel like at this point in the current scenario, it is important to not just hold power accountable and hold the people in positions of power accountable, but also to maintain a record of what is happening in our political scenario, in our social situations, and in the various contexts, and what kind. And I feel like there's a lot of value in telling individual stories and telling specific stories of what is happening with people in their economic and their ecological contexts. So I had just graduated out of Delhi University. I was studying sociology, and I was quite lost and searching for different ways of thinking about the world. I was quite politically active back then, but there was something about the politics that I had been involved in which felt short, which felt a little lacking in terms of the interconnections and the interdependence that we have with our environment, with the ecology. And I was also looking for different imaginations of different kinds of economies. And I think that's somehow how I ended up finding Youth Alliance and the program. And I attended the Arthashastra cohort, the program that happened online in 2021. And it was an absolutely heartening experience to meet fellow travelers who are also thinking about similar things, and to get to explore so many things so many questions also that I had in my mind. Youth Alliance has been a sort of community which I've always been able to turn to for all sorts of stories, all sorts of ideas, all sorts of exploration. And it's not just about finding sources. Yeah, being able to just think together about what really needs to be written at this point. And it's been like an ecosystem which has been supporting, and not just supporting the writing of stories, but also has been actively engaging with what I have shared, what I've written. And as far as the values of Youth Alliance are concerned, I feel like it's the interconnections that are most important. It's that value of recognizing the interdependence of us with our local material context, with our communities. And that kind of exploration has really shaped, I think, the kind of journalism that I wish to be doing in a lot of ways, because otherwise it ends up in silos. So if I'm an education reporter, there can be a tendency to just look at that and not really go beyond. And I feel like some of the values from Youth Alliance that have been there have really been like a recalibration of establishing that some of these values need to be remembered and inculcated in work. And also, to be honest, I'm still quite new to my career. I'm still exploring, and I'm still learning a lot, and I'm figuring out more ways of how to bring together so many ideas that I have around ecology and economy with something like education that I'm trying to cover. So yeah, it's been like, it does feel like an ecosystem where I can sort of continue that exploration and that journey together.